Hello everyone, you guys are welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for tuning in today. In this video we'll show you guys how to install fake dreadlocks. This particular handmade locks is called natural braids and it's good product. We'll insert a very short clip by the side of the video so that you guys can see what it looks like. Because she doesn't want the hair too long, she wants it shoulder length. We'll just bring out the hair from the pack and then cut it into two equal parts just to achieve the length she actually wants. So now the first thing to do on her hair is to part it into different sections and then box braid depending on the size of the size that the client wants. But on her she wants like a medium size. There's big size, small size, but on her is medium size. And this is because she actually wants the hair to be kind of scanty, not really full. So that's how she wants it and that's how she likes it. So yeah, that's why we're going for the medium size. For the installation, this method is kind of difficult to explain, but you will need a needle and a thread that will help you sew in the dreads to the hair. Just watch the video very carefully so you will easily understand the method. So this method is just like sewing the hair together with the dreads, but in such a way that the natural hair won't be noticed. Use the two ends of the dreads to cover the natural hair, and as you are sewing you also try to hide the threads.
Come, the birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. The land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So until you get to the tip of her hair, that is her natural hair, and then after that you cut off the thread and you roll in between your hands so that it will give that natural dread look. So the same to all the braids.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
The beauty of this hair is when it's getting old or when it's already old. That's when the beauty comes out. The advantage of this hair is that it can be styled different ways, just like box braid, and it looks natural, and it also can last for about 4 to 6 months or even more, depends on how you maintain it. But during the maintaining period you have to always wash it and treat it with some products. So it's a protective style that can help you grow your hair.
always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
After installing all the fake dreadlocks on her natural hair, that's the box braid, apply styling moist and hairspray for that shiny look. Yeah, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you were able to learn one or two things from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, on your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video from this channel. Share to friends and family and give this video a big thumbs up. Please and please don't forget to check out the previous videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.